much the ones that coordinate between the realtor, the mortgage broker, the buyer, and the seller. We're the ones that hold the money in escrow. So we're pretty much, we get everybody together and we make it happen. So you would then give us your escrow money. At that point, what we do is that we issue title insurance. What is title insurance? There's two insurances that you will purchase, which is an owner's and a lender's. You only purchase them one time. It's not annually, it's not monthly, it's a one-time fee that you automatically get charged. And that pretty much just makes sure it's protecting you and protecting your lender against anything that encumbers the property. So we make sure that all the mortgages are paid off, we make sure that all the liens are paid off, judgments, anything that is wrong with the property, we fix it before we give you the title. And then that insurance policy makes sure that we did our due diligence, and God forbid that if we miss something, then that insurance policy actually covers you guys and the lender, okay?